Hi, my name's Byron Martin here at Logie's Greenhouses, and today we're going to be talking about a wonderful succulent named Gold Nugget, also known as hens and chicks, botanically known as Sempervivums. These plants actually are hardy and garden plants, and they've been grown for many, many years. They do very well in well-drained soils and are used quite extensively in rock gardens, but they also make good container plants and can be actually grown in the home. And this particular variety has a wonderful coloration that happens during the wintertime in the windowsill. And it actually turns into a golden color with red tips on it and gets really gold during this period of time when the light's low in the sunny window in a home. And then in the summertime, it'll actually green up to this color right here. You can see, and even some of this, we're getting into the time of year when we're in between the two, but this time of year, even some of the red will go away. You can see the common name being hens and chicks. You can see the little chicks coming around the mother hen right here. And that name has been tagged onto this for decades, generations and generations. These plants can get quite big. They spread out and create a mass, well, yay big or even bigger over time in a rock garden. In a container, they'll actually kind of climb over the edge of the pot a little bit. And if you need to, of course, you can trim them back if they get to be too much. They make great windowsill plants. Small plants like this can be put into decorative pots. Make sure you have drainage in the bottom. Keep it in a bright spot. They really are plants that will grow out in full sun. When you're growing them, you give a dry period between waterings. Surface soil becomes dry. Let them get a little bit drier than just surface dryness, and then thoroughly saturate the media. And then continue that watering cycle. Dryness, water, and it's pretty much that simple. A little bit of fertilizer during the summertime when they're actively growing. Over-fertilization can discourage some of the bright colors that you get in the leaf when you overfeed them. So, just a little bit during the summertime when they're growing to increase the size of the plant, but go easy on it. There really isn't any pruning that needs to be done other than splitting them up from time to time. You can take these and make new ones if you wanted to, but really the plant just continues to grow even from that old rosette. That old rosette will stay there for many, many years. And when we repot them, we just want to take them out of the pot. They've got kind of a fine root system here that's growing into the outside edge of the root ball. I put a little soil in the bottom of our pot and then tuck our plant into it like so, and there we go. And we are potted. And then, of course, as always, we want to give the plant a little bit of water, or quite a bit of water. You want to make sure you settle that plant in with your irrigation water to make sure that its soil is settled and it's ready to go forward. And there you go, ready to be put on the windowsill and watch the colors change from season to season. Well, thank you for watching today. There's a little bit of information on Gold Nugget, the hens and chicks, which is a hardy perennial that can be used outside in the rock garden or dry gardens, or also, as we do here at Logie's, as a container plant. If you'd like more information, please visit us at logies.com.